Hi from Bangalore, and I am just gonna shoot a day in my life today because today my day is very happening. It is what it is. Do not judge me for my mess of a bed because I am temporarily living here and I'll be changing my PG in 1 week. So yeah, this is how it looks right now, and it's around 8:30 a.m. right now. I'm going to an ice bath plus breathwork session. I don't really know how it's gonna go, but yeah, I am going there with some founders of a company, and I am very excited for it. Definitely, I have never done an ice bath before, so there's that. And I am going to take a bath now, get ready quickly, and then go to this session, which is 20 minutes away from my place. So let's hope this day goes good. Hello. So again, I think this has become my routine कि shampoo करो, video record करो, and I am all ready. Took a bath and wore gym clothes क्योंकि ice bath है obviously, and I have also packed my bag. Okay, that's there. And took extra pair of clothes and jacket and towel. Apparently वो सब लगता है आइस बात के लिए because obviously बहुत ठंडी लगेगी आइस बात है. And like to add, ऑलरेडी बैंगलोर का वेदर इतना रेनी हो रहा है एंड बहुत ठंडी है. मैं सुबह सुबह ट्रैवल करके आई हूँ तो मुझे ऑलरेडी बहुत ठंडी लग रही है. तो आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ़ आइस बात लेना अभी इज़ अ वेरी गुड डिसीजन फॉर माई हेल्थ. But anyways, it is what it is. So we'll just have fun and make the most out of it. And I'll try to vlog the day in a better way, and let's see if I am able to. Let's get going. Super excited.
Hi everybody, my name is Jashid. I'm one of the co-founders of Nuvedo. We are a mushroom wellness brand, basically here to bring the healing benefits of mushrooms to y'all. And today we have a really cool event that we're doing. It's basically a breathwork and ice plunge. So it's all about essentially activating the parasympathetic nervous system inside your body, and we're combining it with a really calming mushroom called the reishi mushroom. So reishi mushrooms are known to promote production of GABA, which is basically something that helps your body be more restful to promote more sense of calm. So when you pair that with a practice like an ice plunge and an activation like a breath work, basically you have your entire body entering a state of relaxation. It reduces your stress levels, it helps with recovery. It's basically like a full system reset.
We're going to do some activating breath work, feel great about ourselves, maybe tap into that altered state of consciousness just for a little bit.
Some of the big benefits are cardiovascular health, mood uplifting. So if you deal with anxiety, you deal with stress, it's a great way to reset your nervous system so that you feel great.
To the nose, mouth, your choice. In, out. Exhalation, breathe in, out, in, out.
So yeah, I ate something and then back in my room because I had a meeting. I'm gonna maybe wash some clothes and clean my room for a bit. Honestly speaking, I have had very less motivation to make content बहुत ज़्यादा. I am getting there धीरे धीरे and trying to come over it, and a lot of things have been happening in life. But like yeah, had a super fun day. I met Nuedo's founders and the whole team. If you don't know, Nuedo was also featured on Shark Tank, which is amazing. This was my first time experiencing ice bath and breath work and everything. I've never been to something like this before. Trust me, it was very, very good. I'm definitely gonna do it again. And I also tweeted about it that someone wants to join. And one guy actually came to join us. So that was another big thing which happened today. Hi everyone. So I thought we already late too. So I'm going to meet someone today. We've interacted online but never met in real life. We're gonna do cafe hopping and have a lot of fun in Bangalore. Let's have some fun today. How's the food?
Food is really good, but the serving sizes doesn't serve my appetite.
That's why we're going somewhere else.
Yeah, we're gonna hop today. Let's go.
You're legit eating YY ka bhel, I would say.
This looks like bhel actually.
It is YY ka bhel, legit.
ये घर में नहीं बना सकते.
बना सकते हैं, I guess, for 20 rupees.
हमारा बहुत कट चुका है यहाँ पे. अब तक तो पता नहीं, बट देखते हैं.
If it tastes good, then it's fine.
बैंगलोर में भाई एवरीथिंग इज सो एक्सपेंसिव. पता है वो तो दारू के साथ वो चटना रहता है ना, तो वैसा भी ला रहा है मुझे.
Correct. 80k YouTuber versus 2k YouTuber.
91 के.
Sorry, 90k.
नेवर स्किप डेजर्ट्स.
हमने खाया खाना 2 जगह. How was the food?
फूड तो बढ़िया था दोनों जगह. पहले जगह में थोड़ा और होता तो अच्छा लगता, बट दैट इज हाउ बैंगलोर इज.
और अब हम जा रहे हैं. भैया मुझे ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं घर. मेरे कैब के पैसे बच रहे हैं. और हम ट्रैफिक में अटके हैं. एक्चुअली आई वुड से सिग्नल बट ट्रैफिक व्हाटएवर सेम थिंग इन बैंगलोर. और हम बस खड़े हुए हैं.
तो बढ़िया बढ़िया फोड़ते रहो, एकदम अच्छे अच्छे कंटेंट बनाओ, बिट्स का नाम रोशन करो, खुद का भी नाम रोशन करो.
Hello. So this is me going from looking very fancy to looking this homeless. I know I do that a lot. So yeah, I met Somrat Bhaiya. It was very nice. We had a lot of fun. This is my room, like my temporary room. You can see that. Usually I am very tidy person, but like obviously यहाँ पे अभी भी shift हुआ है and सारा सामान बस बिखरा पड़ा है. And yes, so come I'll show you the common room of my hostel. So I ordered this laundry basket. One thing about me, I'm really obsessed with laundry baskets. मतलब मेरे पास बिट्स वाले हॉस्टल में 3 laundry basket होगा. एंड ये अब इन हॉस्टल, लाइक एटलीस्ट इन बिट्स हॉस्टल, you are like alone but you still have a community, right? You know people around. यहाँ पे I feel so alone, like so lonely rather. I don't have any friends as of now. So मतलब it is just tiring यार. स्कूल में तो वॉशरूम जाने के लिए आई यूज्ड टू टेक माई फ्रेंड्स कि चलो साथ में. एंड यहाँ पे सब कुछ बैठ के अकेले कर रही हूँ. इट्स क्वाइट ऑपोजिट. आई एम एक्चुअली अ बिग यैपर. ओनली इन वीडियोज़ दो, नॉट इन रियल लाइफ. मतलब बैंगलोर में आके मुझे पता चल रहा है कि असली तन्हाई होती क्या है. हर समय कॉलेज, कोचिंग, कोटा, हैदराबाद, वो सब मेरे सब चल जाता है. एंड बैंगलोर में ऐसा हिट होता है कि शिट सब कुछ अकेले करना है. दैट इज़ एक्चुअली हिटिंग मी. Do check out my LinkedIn, guys. I'm writing good stuff over there. So मैं ऊपर गई, बारिश हो रही है एंड मेरी सोशल एंग्जाइटी अलाउ नहीं करी कि मैं वहाँ बैठ के काम करूँ या फिर कपड़े धोऊँ, क्योंकि सारे वॉशिंग मशीन इतने गंदे थे. एनीवेज आई थिंक आई जस्ट गिव इट टू अ लॉन्ड्री सर्विस. एंड काम करने का मोटिवेशन को हम फिर से बाय बाय बोल के बेड रॉटिंग करने वाले हैं. सो ओके, बाय गाइज, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग and subscribe to know more what I am gonna do in Bangalore. Bye bye.